On behalf of the coach educators, I'm short of words to express our gratitude for being part of this groundbreaking experience whereby we are seeing football merging with education to impart life skills to the future generation. Let me say, when we come here, we're not exactly sure of what we're going to learn. But let me say, our instructors did a commendable job. We are leaving this place totally different. We have been greatly empowered. Now we can, without any fear, go to our respective workstation to impart the knowledge that we have acquired here. To our instructors, I hope this is not the last time we see you here. Every time we knock at your door, we expect that it will open and you will respond promptly to our needs. To our football administrators and all those that played an important role in organizing this occasion, making the success that it has been, we highly appreciate that. And we think going forward, you are going to play a pivotal role in ensuring that football, together with education, plays an important role in developing the future generation. Thank you so much.